My name is Davide Fantinelli. I'm the owner of Fantinelli company, and we are a service 3D printing company. We have been working with 3D printing since 7 years, and 3 years ago, with One Click Metal, we started introducing servicing for metal parts. We serve all kinds of sectors, from food industry to electronics to automotive, anyway. I decided to invest in One Click Metal because I was looking for a reliable and with a reasonable initial investment system. The setup of this machine was very easy because they are lightweight, not so big, so they don't need much space. Even electrical connections and technical support for installation was very easy. So the customer asked specifically for quality, but most of all the dimensional accuracy of the part. And with this system, it's quite easy to achieve this target rather than other technologies. So we mainly use with the printers aluminum for 70% of the request. I was able with this technology to let the customer realize a specific type of pen made of aluminum that was not possible to be produced with other technology or too expensive. Let's say 25% of the production is stainless steel when customer requests more durability and other properties. Just the niche of the market is based on other material like titanium and tool steel that we also offer. I like the easy way we can change material. So if I need to produce one day one material, the next day another material, it's easy to change and to move from one material to another one, or to start with another production without losing time, and also the open source. So we can maybe test new materials if we want. We are planning to maybe introduce some very niche materials for some specific customer, and it will be possible with this machine. One Click Metal helped us with great increase of our offer to our customer. We also were the first, I think, in Italy to offer these printings online with the automatic price calculator. The future for 3D printing in FAMA is to increase the production. So we hope the market will give us the chance to have more printers and increase the production, adding more printers and maybe new materials.